As we reported earlier this week, the state is making major changes with its pension fund investments.
New at 5:30, we're learning just how much in fees that investing in controversial hedge funds has cost. Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with the details.
A guest on this week's Newsmakers, Treasurer Seth says management fees are acceptable when investments are working, but in the case of hedge funds, that wasn't the case. In 2011, then Treasurer Gina Raimondo put more state money into hedge funds in an effort to minimize risk to the pension system if the economy were to take a hit.
And that was the right instinct. And when you look back at how our hedge fund portfolio has performed over the last 5 years, there have been some funds that have performed very well, but clearly most have not met expectations.
Earlier this year, Treasurer Seth launched a review of the state portfolio and decided to cut the $1 billion the state invests in hedge funds, one of the highest rates in the country, in half over the next 2 years.
Clearly, by and large, the hedge fund strategy has been a disappointment, which is why we're making the change.
He says hedge funds have cost taxpayers a lot in fees.
Last year, the total fees paid to hedge funds was about $40 million. In fact, over the last 3 years, the hedge fund part of the pension portfolio is the only place where a majority of the value that was created, a majority of the return, stayed with the managers in the form of fees and expenses rather than being returned to the investor, to us.
Magaziner says he talked to Governor Gina Raimondo about moving away from hedge funds, and he says she supported the decision. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.
And you can watch the whole debate on Newsmakers this Sunday at 5:30 on WPRI and at 10 a.m. on Fox Providence and online right now at WPRI.com.